So good morning friends. Today I am making the video for the second PU students 3.4 exercise. Second PU students 3.4 exercise, and the exercise name is inverse of the matrix by elementary operation. This elementary questions is most important for your final exam. Alright, so just let's start. First I'll teach you some example, afterwards we'll solve some questions also. So you can see over here we have an example in our textbook. By using the elementary operation, find the inverse of the matrix A. This matrix is given 1 2 2 minus 1. So there is a formula of the elementary matrix is capital A equals to IA. Okay. I means inverse, A means the given value which is in the question. So our question is, the A value is given 1 2 2 minus 1. Okay, now solve. So our formula is A equals to IA. First we'll keep this A value here is 1 2 2 minus 1. I means identity matrix, which is 1 0 0 1, and again this A will be as it is. Okay, what we have to do in this question, we have to apply some conditions which we will make from our side and make here identity matrix. When we will get here identity matrix, whatever the answer we will get here, that will be our final answer. Okay, so now let's start. First, how to make this value identity? We need 1 0 0 1 here. So how to make this one 0? So we will make some equation from our side. This is not given in your textbook any formula. You have to make the formula from your own, then you can make this 0. So let's see how. First I will multiply. This is, this is row and this is column, as I taught you in the last class. This value is row, this value is column. So we have to multiply something here and subtract from this. You will easily get this become a 0. Or okay, or you can use a row also, row form also. All right, so first what we will do I will apply one formula here. R2 tends to R2 minus 2 R1. ऐसे. Okay, I will means इसमें this R2, this row. R2 means row. R1 means I will multiply 2 in this one and subtract it from this. Okay. So it will be whatever formula I will apply this right hand side, that also will apply in a left hand side also. Okay, so first R2 means whatever change it will happen in a row only, row 2 only. So 1 and 2 will be as it is. I am multiplying 2 in R1 and subtracted from this. So 2 as it is minus 2 into what is the R1 value is 1. Okay, this 2 I will write little far. Here also R2 means minus 1 minus 2 into what is the value 2. Okay, like that. As same 1 and 0 as it is, 0 minus 2 into R1, and 0 means 1 minus 2 into 0, and A as it is. So solve, we will get 1 2, this will be 2 become a 0, right? This will be minus 4 and minus 1 become a minus 5. Okay, like that. Equals to, here you solve, 0 minus 2 will be minus 2 only, 0, this is become a 0, we will get here 1. So this value, now we have to make here 0 and here is 1. Okay, so how we will apply R2 means row 2, I am dividing by minus 1 by 5. So I can write like that, R2 tends to minus 1 upon 5 in R2, means I am dividing 1 by 5 in R2. So what is the condition? 1 2 0 divided by minus 5 divided by minus 5, minus 5. Okay, I am dividing here, equals to 1 0 minus 2 divided by minus 5, and here also what, 1 divided by minus 5A, like that. So we will get the answer after dividing. This is become a 0, this is become a 1, right? This is become a 1 0 minus 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5 and A. Now we want to make this 0. So 2 multiply in this R2 and subtract it from this one. So I can write here R1 or R2. We will write the answer on the R1, right? R1 we need it. And what we are doing, we are subtracting R1 minus 2 into R2. This is condition. So 1 minus 2 into 0, right? Here 0, this down value will be as it is. We are changing on the R1 only. Here you multiply and subtract. We will get, first we will write the R1 value minus 2 into 1, like that. Here changes here only. 1 minus 2 into R2 value is minus 2 by 5. Same we have 0 minus 2 into minus 1 by 5. This down value as it is, and A also as it is. Okay, now solve this all. So we will get here 2 into 0 is 0 only, so we'll get here 1 0. 2 minus 2 is 0 1. We got the identity here. Here we will get, solve this all. This is actually the answer. You have to solve this side. Okay, not think we have to solve this side only and get the identity matrix is complete. You have to write this answer also. So minus minus plus, so it become a 4 by 5 plus 4 by 5, and we have to take the LCM. After taking the LCM, we will get here 1 by 5. Got it? 2 2s are 4, 4 by 5. If I'll take the LCM, we will get here 5 minus 4 upon 5, that means 1 by 5. Directly I have written here. Here is 0 minus 2 means positive 2 by 5, and down is 1 by 5 into A. Okay, now after getting here the identity matrix, you have to mention this value 1001 I equals to this value 1 by 5 and or you can shift this A this side, so it become A inverse. Okay, like that. This A will shift here, it become a inverse, and this is our final answer. Okay, so this is our final answer. You will, if you'll apply the another formula, you will get the different answer. So don't be bothered, I am getting the different and you are got the different answer. Answer will be the correct always, because we are applying our own formula. But what is needed, we need make here identity matrix. That is the most important for the elementary method. Okay, so the elementary method every year it comes for 5 marks in your final exam. So don't miss this question. I will teach you one exercise question also. So let's start that also. So I'm going to teach you 3.4 exercise. Let's see, 3.4 exercise, third question I will teach you now. Okay, so 3.4 exercise, third question I will teach you. Question is, using elementary transformation, find the inverse of each of the matrix if it is exist. Okay, so I will use this. If you will get here some value like this kind of answer, that means the P inverse does not exist. That means question is does not exist. If you exist, if you'll get this kind of answer. If you will get here 1001, that is called the, this is exist, that is called the inverse matrix. So let's solve the third question. So let's start the question third. We need to find the elementary matrix. The question is 1 3 2 7. I will solve this question by the column method. Okay, so let's see. The first we will write the formula. Formula is, so you can see A equals to IA. We will write A value here only. We will consider this is A equals to 1327. So 1327. Identity means, as you know, 1001 and this A will be as it is, because at last we will shift this A this side and become a A inverse. So first we will make this 1 0 0 1. One we already have, this one we want to make a 1 0 0 1. So first what I will do, I'll get the multiply 3 in this column and subtract it by this. Okay, so I can write C2 tends to C2 minus 3 into C1. Okay, this condition I make from my own, this is not given in our textbook. So it would be 1 3 minus 3 into, what is the C1 value is 1, as same as 2 7 minus 3 into 2. Okay, 3 into 2, like that. That's same as 1 and 0 as it is, because C1 column C1 we are not going to change, we are changing on the C2. So C2 value is 0 minus 3 into 1 and 1 minus 3 into 0, and A will be as it is. So after solving this, you will get 1 2, this is 3 minus 3 become a 0, this become a 6, 3 to the 6, 6 minus 7 is positive 1, got it? And it will be 1 0. This you can subtract, 0 minus 3 is minus 3 and 1 minus 0 is 1 only. Okay, you understood, I think. Now I'm going to, we need to change this value, this 2 we want here 0, then it become the identity matrix. So what I will do, in this column I will multiply 2 and subtract it from this. So I can write, I will write the change on a C1 minus 2 of C2, like that. So I can write 1 minus 2 into 0, here is 2 minus C1, no, 2 minus 2 into 1. Okay, and 0 1 will be as it is, as in our column, as this value we are changing on the C1 only. So 1 minus 2 into minus 3, 0 as it is, sorry, 0 minus 2 into 1 and minus 3 1 as it is, and A. Got it? Now we have to solve these values. So what we will get here after solving this, we have, see, 2 0 multiplication become a 0, so we'll get here 1. Here is 2 minus 2 is 0, so 1 0 0 1 we will get it, 1 0 0 1. Easily we got here identity matrix. As you can see here, after solving this is 2 3 is 6, minus 6 plus 1 would be minus 5. Okay, as same as here, 0 minus 2 is minus 2 only, then minus 3 1 as it is, and A. Now we got here identity matrix. Now this A I will shift here, so it become a A inverse. Our answer is minus 5 minus 2 minus 3 minus 1. Okay, so this is our final answer and our chapter is completed. Miscellaneous exercise we have after this exercise. Miscellaneous means we have all mixture of the all exercise. Some question is given on the miscellaneous, so this is, you can solve easily. All right, so today and tomorrow I will start in the next video I will start the new chapter. Now our matrix chapter is finished. Thank you.